Hi friends, how are you? By blessings to God, you are doing well. So this is Dr. A B JENA, faculty member, PG Department of Business Management, as well as the coordinator, PG Department of Commerce, Fakulty University, Vyasaware, Balasore, Odisha. Friends, I am welcoming to all of you to your channel, to my channel, Dr. A B JENA Classes. Friends, आज हम discussion करेंगे the very important, मतलब that is the vital 20, that is the terms and concepts which are related to the stock market. Friends, ये part 2 है. I have already posted the part 1. Kindly go through posted वीडियो. So far as today discussion is concerned, आज का डिस्कशन बहुत यूजफुल एंड फ्रूटफुल होगा फॉर द ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन. फिर भी आज का डिस्कशन बहुत यूजफुल एंड फ्रूटफुल होगा पर्टिकुलर फॉर द बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन लाइक दैट इज द बीकॉम, mcom, BBA, MBA, MFC एंड इकोनॉमिक्स एंड अदर रिलेटेड सब्जेक्ट्स. फिर भी आज का डिस्कशन बहुत यूजफुल एंड फ्रूटफुल होगा फॉर द लेक्चरशिप एग्जामिनेशन लाइक इट्स दैट इज द कॉमर्स मैनेजमेंट एज वेल एज द इकोनॉमिक्स. फिर भी आज का डिस्कशन बहुत यूजफुल एंड फ्रूटफुल होगा particularly for the UGC NET JRF exams for the subject of commerce management economics. So friends, without wasting our valuable time, friends, without wasting our that is the golden time, let's start today's discussion one by one the 20 that is the terms and concepts which are related to the stock market. Friends, again I am requesting to all of you during the discussion, if any mismatch or gap you find, kindly give your valuable comment and suggestion in the comment section. So friends, let's start today's discussion one by one the 20 terms and concepts which are related to the stock market. Friends, the first one term is what is the meaning of X price. So this price or X price is the lowest price or best value that a seller will sell the stock or security to a buyer or to an investor. So next one हम देखेंगे what is the मतलब क्या है bid price. So bid price refers to the highest price that a buyer will pay for a stock or security to the seller. So next one हम देखेंगे what is the meaning of a spread. So friends, it's the difference between the bid price and the X price is known as, हम क्या बोलेंगे, it's the spread. In mathematical equation, spread is calculated or spread is equal to what is this bid price minus X price. Higher the spread, friends, the lower is the liquidity. Lower the spread, greater is the liquidity of the given security or stock. Friends, next one हम देखेंगे what is the meaning of a rally. So when a stock or index shows a rapid increase in the price of stocks or markets over a period of time, that is the consistently, it is known as, हम क्या बोलेंगे उसको, rally. So rally means in a simple word or simple language, rally means to a period of continuous increasing in the prices of the stock or indexes or bonds. So next one हम फ्रेंड्स हम देखें what is the meaning of a free float, और हम free float को हम क्या बोलेंगे, और it's also known as a public float. The free float refers to the number of shares of a company or corporation which are available for the public to trade. So it's the outstanding share of a company that a company will offer or sell to the public. So friends, what is the meaning of institutional investor? So an institutional investor is a company or an organization that invests money the same in the securities like that is the stock, bonds and mutual funds on behalf of the clients. The examples of institutional investors, they are the Indian mutual fund companies, pension fund, Indian insurance companies, that is the LIC, GIC and other the private sector insurance companies. So next one, what is the meaning of FIIs? So friends, it stands for foreign institutional investors. So FIIs are the investor in a financial market outside its the official home country. So FIIs are the foreign entities and they invest in stock and bonds in the Indian financial market in where such as the stocks and bonds. In India, the foreign entities are or they are treated as, that is the FIIs. So they are the hedge funds, so sovereign wealth funds, foreign mutual funds, pension funds, asset management companies, that is the university funds and endowments. They are the entities coming under the FIIS. So friends, next one of the thing, what is the meaning of margin? So margin is the money which is borrowed from a broker to purchase an investment and is the difference between the total value of an investment and the loan amount. So friends, आगे हम चर्चा करें what is the meaning of margin trading. So margin trading is also known as buying on margin. So margin trading is the practice of borrowing funds from a stock broker to purchase the share. It's the meaning of margin trading. In simple language, someone takes the loan and buys stocks with the lent money and repaying that loan amount with interest at a later date. It's the meaning of margin trading. So friends, what is the meaning of मतलब क्या है मार्केट कैपिटलाइजेशन इन शॉर्ट फॉर्म हम भी बोल सकते हैं इसको, दैट इज द मार्केट कैप. सो मार्केट कैप इज द टोटल वैल्यू ऑफ कंपनीज आउटस्टैंडिंग शेयर्स ऑफ स्टॉक. सो these the outstanding shares will be available for trading. It's the meaning of a market cap. So market cap, how it's calculated? So current share price into total number of shares outstanding. So market cap is calculated like this. So next one हम देखेंगे तो market cap is divided into, that is the three parts, that is large cap, that is the mid cap and the small cap. So पहले हम चर्चा करेंगे what is the meaning of a large cap. So large cap को हम भी बोल सकते हैं what is this, that is the big cap. So large cap refers to a company with a market capitalization or market cap value of more than 20,000 crores in a, that is the US dollar. It's the 10 billion US dollar. The that is the large cap company, the stocks. So they are known as what is this, the blue chip stocks. So here in the investor will get the, that is the constant return from the large cap companies and they will bear, that is the less risk. So large cap companies are less risk than the mid cap and the small cap company. The examples of large companies are Reliance Industries Limited, that is the Tata Consultancy Services Limited, HDFC Bank Limited, Bharat Airtel Limited, ICICI Bank Limited. So they are, or these are the examples of large cap companies. आइए फ्रेंड्स हम चर्चा करेंगे what is the meaning of mid cap or mid cap companies. So the mid cap refers to a company with the market capitalization, it's a typing error, more than 5,000 crores and less than 20,000 crores. So if a company comes under this category, so these companies will come treated as or known as the mid cap companies. So mid cap companies are slightly riskier than the large cap stocks and the less risk than the small cap stocks. So examples of mid cap companies: Union Bank of India, Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, that is the Godrej Properties Limited, Dabur, Rail Vikas Nigam, Indian Hotels. Friends, so these are the examples of mid cap companies. आइए फ्रेंड्स हम चर्चा करेंगे मतलब क्या है स्मॉल कैप. सो स्मॉल कैप रेफर्स टू a company with market capitalization, it's typing error is there, less than 5,000 crore each. Again friends, मैं repeat कर रहा हूँ. The small cap refers to a company with market capitalization value or market cap value of less than 5,000 crore each. So friends, here the small cap stocks are riskier than the large cap and the mid cap companies. Despite the risks, the small cap stocks have the great growth potential in future. The examples of small cap companies, so they are the Central Depository Service Limited, Apollo Tyres Limited, Bandhan Bank Limited, Pyramid Pharma Limited, Multi Commodity Exchange of India Limited, Gillette India Limited, Star Health and Allied Insurance Company Limited. Next one friends देखेंगे what is the meaning of arbitrage. So it is a trading strategy which involves buying and selling an asset, मतलब assets, financial stock and currencies simultaneously in different markets to get the profit from the price difference. In simple language or simple word, arbitrage is when an asset is purchased in one market or from one market and sold in another market for a higher price to earn the profit. It's the meaning of arbitrage. So next one हम देखेंगे what is the meaning of dividend. So friends, it's the normally the shareholders. So a shareholder gets the dividend from the company. So friends, for your kind information, I have already posted one video. What is the meaning of a dividend and what are the different types of dividend? Kindly go through the posted video. I friends हम चर्चा करने मतलब क्या dividend. So dividend means when a company earns profit, a particular portion of their earnings is distributed or paid to the shareholder who own the company's stock or share on a quarterly or annual basis. In a simple word, dividend is the part of the profit of a company which is distributed or paid by a company to its shareholders as a reward. Friends, next one हम देखेंगे what is the meaning of penny stock. So penny stock is a share of a small company that trades at a low price, usually trading at a 2-digit price. So penny stocks. So here I have already checked in the Google, and friends, I am requesting to all of you, you can also check. Even it's the penny stocks is sold, it's less than 10 rupees or less than 20. Above all, so it's a 2-digit price. And so far as the penny stock is concerned, so these stocks are regarded as the risky investment because they can be highly volatile and illiquid. Hi friends, so important concept is also the beta. Beta is an index or a metric to measure the systematic risks of stocks with regard to the return from the stocks or the portfolio. So friends, आगे हम चर्चा करें व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ सिस्टमेटिक रिस्क. सो फ्रेंड्स, फॉर योर काइंड इन्फॉर्मेशन, आई हैव ऑलरेडी पोस्टेड वन वीडियो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ रिस्क, व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ रिस्क एंड व्हाट इज द बेसिक डिफरेंस बिटवीन द सिस्टमेटिक रिस्क एंड ऑन सिस्टमेटिक रिस्क. काइंडली गो थ्रू द पोस्टेड वीडियो. डेफिनेटली योर आइडिया एंड कॉन्सेप्ट विल बी clear. So beta measures the risk of an asset in relation to the market. से नेक्स्ट वन फ्रेंड्स हम देखेंगे मतलब क्या है सिस्टमेटिक रिस्क. सो सिस्टमेटिक रिस्क वे इट्स नोन एज व्हाट इज दिस मार्केट रिस्क और इट्स ऑन डाइवर्सिफाइबल रिस्क. सो सिस्टमेटिक रिस्क सो कैन नॉट बी दैट इज द डाइवर्सिफाइड एंड इट्स द दैट ए कंपनी or an organization cannot control over it. So what is this? The risks which are uncontrollable by nature and arise out of external factors. क्या है? Political factor, economic issues, etc. that impact the market as a whole. So examples of systematic risks. So these are inflation, recession, war, changes in interest rates, fluctuation in currency exchange rates, poverty, natural disasters. And that is it also, that is the COVID-19 and other, that is the microeconomic events. So systematic risks are caused by factors beyond the control of a company or an individual. आइए फ्रेंड्स हम देखेंगे what is the meaning of unsystematic risks. So unsystematic risks is also known as what is this idiosyncratic risks. The risks which are controllable, friends, here a company or an organization can control the unsystematic risks by nature, and the unsystematic risks arises out of internal or organizational factors. So friends, the examples of unsystematic risks are management inefficiency, higher labor cost, higher labor turnover, manipulation, the financial statements of the company or worker strikes. So these are the examples. So friends, last but not the least, it's also the important, that is the term portfolio. So friends, portfolio is a collection of financial instruments. Financial instruments examples. So these are the bonds, stocks, commodities or derivatives that an individual or an institution holds. So the primary goal or main objectives of portfolio management is to achieve the financial goal by managing the risk. So here the portfolio is maintained in such a way that to minimize or to avoid or to reduce the, that is the risks. Matlab that is the systematic risk. So friends, these are all about the 20 vital, that is the stock market, friends. So I am hopeful that, friends, so you have learned a lot. Again, I am requesting to all of you during the discussion, if any mismatch or gap you find, kindly give your valuable comment and suggestion in the comment section. So friends, again I am requesting to all of you, if you have not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe it, kindly forward it, kindly give your valuable comment and a suggestion for the next video. So thanks a lot to all of you.